Spelling out in full the name of the letter study.
The tuff, formed by joining a dalle to a nun.
X. Originally in form with North Semitic ta, where it signified the T sound. It was adopted by Classical Greek for the K sound, as in Scottish loch, and in some local scripts for the KS sound. In the latter representation it passed from Latin to English and has been maintained, despite its redundancy for the letter combination KS. Two letters, a resh and a zion, combine to form the letter kuf. The zion, to the left, descends below the line, while the resh, to the right, hovers above it. Spelling out in full the names of the letters shin, resh, zion, and, again, resh.
The 22 letters of the alphabet pair into 11 form mates, the two letters whose forms most closely resemble one another, as taught in Kabbalah.
The Yud also resembles a microcosmic limit, and is therefore its form mate, as expounded in Halakha.
Spelling out in full the name of the letter kuf.